Hi, I'm Peter Finn, Managing Director of Face Contracting.
Face Contracting specialises in providing quality labour to the mining and civil construction sectors within Australia and New Zealand. Face has current vacancies available for pipe layer and excavator operator. These roles are based in Nyngan, New South Wales area and will work on a 5.5 day week, 10-hour days, or more if required. There is 6 months worth of work and accommodation options are available for drive-in, drive-out worker. Previous excavation operations of machinery of 20 tonne and over is held in high regard. Pipe layers and other workers are expected to be hard-working and reliable. Any other trade or ticket qualifications are held in high regard. If you're interested in this role, please feel free to send us your resume. If you know someone who may be interested, please give this post a share.